Hello guys, it's LPR Sugarhook here. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you the toys that I got from a party that I went like yesterday. I had no school, so let's get started. So the first one I got was a monkey keychain. There's a pinata and draw candy, but I didn't really get a lot of candy. I only got like 2 pieces, so I only ate 2. I hate them. No, I ate them. And the monkey's face is not like painted a lot because we're outside. So yeah, there's a horsey and like George the monkey, but I never watched that anymore. And yeah, so then there was a white horsey because there was 2 more, so that was 3. So we did that one, and the white one to give other kids a chance. So we only had 2 to do, and I didn't even get to hit it. Okay. The monkey has a banana. A little monkey my big feet, my big fingers. A monkey has a banana and it's a keychain. Whoa! Okay, that's the first. And then a rolly airplane. This has been a long time ago. This was a McDonald's toy, and this kind of toy was here a long time ago with the McDonald's. So, whoa! What the? It opens. I didn't know that. It's cool. Oh, and this opens. Okay, I don't want to break it, so it's just like the piece. They're kind of crooked, so I only have like one of them because that's what I got out of pinata. Oh, Jesus! Something's being on. Where are you, holes? Yeah. Yeah, you're on. Okay, so it's like you put this in. So where do you go? Where do you go? Where did you go? Go, go, go. Oh man. Oh no, it's inside now. Ah! I need to get him out. Okay, there you go. Oh, scared. Don't say that. Jesus. My little sister sang bad words. Sorry, my little sister's saying weird things. Oh my god, I can't even get this in. Yeah. That's it, I can't put this in. Okay, so I'll just leave it off for now. It's a flag. It's for car, but it's actually an airplane. I like action. I'm getting used to playing with this. 2 years. Whoa! It hits the tire. Oh, whoa! Different place. The next thing. A pink timer, and this, it has like this stuff. And another timer. Yellow. Pink, yellow. Yay! Pink, yellow. And the last one. Isn't he so cute? You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're cute. You're so cute. Okay, that's my owl. So this is all the stuff I got. This little thingy. Okay, I got it for one more time. Now let's just do that. Here it comes. Oh! Oops. My monkey keychain. Yeah. Don't forget the dog. Go right here. And I don't know if this is a girl or a boy, but I'm going with a girl. Now actually comment down below if you want this to be a girl or a boy. There. Did it. Okay. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, comment. I hope smash that like button. Sorry, I haven't done a really good one. So I hope you guys like